Hey everybody, welcome to Soozie's Stuff. I'm Soozie, and today I'm going to bring you a 60-second haul instead of my 60-second DIY. I found some really cool patriotic things at Dollar Tree, but I want to show you a couple of things I got at Hobby Lobby. They're not really patriotic, but I know you're going to enjoy them. So the clock is about to start, and I want to show you my 60-second haul. And away we go. The clock has started. Our first stop is Hobby Lobby, and always go back to the 90% off. Can you believe I found these cool lemon pictures? I couldn't believe it. And the beads were half off that week. And look, I found a tobacco basket. It was like $3.40 something or something like that. Now on to Dollar Tree. Those big giant necklaces, isn't that hilarious? Some hats, some foam scatter, and look at these neat trays. I think that's going to be great for a picture, and then some patriotic rub-on stickers. Look at these window clings. Woohoo! We're going to have fun with those. And then, you know, we see those candles all the time. We'll grab a blue and red one, and instant patriotic decor. Hey, look at the red, white, and blue mesh. Love that. And don't forget about the bandanas. They have 2 for $1, so we may do something with those. Here's some fun flags, a flag kit. I always put that up. And then they have some great, patriotic boards that we can redo. And to end it all off, a windsock. Hey, we made it. Woo, that was fast. I wanted to bring you a little preview of the goodies I found this week and see how I use them this Saturday. So thanks for tuning in to my 60-second haul, and I hope you always tune in on Tuesday for all my 60-second series, my 60 seconds of fun. And don't forget to subscribe, leave me a comment down below, and give me a great big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. I'll see you next time on KDIY Channel 146. Soozie's Stuff.